Book of Heaven, Volume 12, May 16th, 1919. Effects of the acts done in the divine will. The sun is an image of these acts. I was thinking, how can it be that one act alone, done in the divine will, multiplies into so many as to do good to all? At that moment, my sweet Jesus moved in my interior, and with a light that he sent to my mind, told me,
"My daughter, an image of this you will find in the sun. One is the sun, one the heat, one the light. Yet this sun multiplies in everyone, giving to each one its light and its heat, according to the various circumstances. For man, it is the light of every eye, of every action, of every step, and if the creature varies the action or the way, the light follows her, though one is the sun. The sun multiplies in all nature, giving to each thing its different effects. At its rising, it embellishes all nature, and its light, multiplying in the night frost, forms the dew, spreading upon all plants a silvery mantle, which gives such prominence and beauty to all nature as to astonish and enchant the human gaze. So much so that man, with all his industriousness, is incapable of forming one single drop of dew. Go further on. To the flowers it gives color and fragrance, and not one color only, but to each one its own distinct color and fragrance. To the fruits, instead, with its light and heat, it gives sweetness and maturation, and diversity of sweetness to each fruit, though one is the sun. It fecundates and makes other plants grow, so all nature receives life from the sun, and each thing has the distinct effect that befits it. Now, if the sun does this because it is up high and makes itself life of all creation which lives down below, though the sun is one, much more so for the acts done in my will, as the soul rises in me and operates in the height of my will. And more than sun, they place themselves as guards of all creatures in order to give them life. Although the act is one, like sun, it darts over all creatures, and some it embellishes. For some it fecundates grace, for some it melts the cold, for some it softens the heart, for some it dispels the darkness, for some it purifies and burns, giving to each one the different effects that are needed, according to the greater or lesser dispositions of each one. And this happens also in the sun that shines over your horizon. If the ground is sterile, the sun gives little development to the plants. If the seed of the flower is not there, the sun with all its light and heat does not make it sprout. If man does not want to activate himself in operating, the sun makes him earn nothing. So, the sun produces goods in the creation according to the fecundity of the grounds and to the attitude of man. In the same way, these acts done in my will, though they run for the good of all, act according to the dispositions of each one, and according to the attitude of the soul who lives in my volition. So, each additional act done in my will is one more sun that shines over all creatures.
Then, afterwards, I tried to fuse myself in my Jesus, in his will, multiplying my thoughts in his, in order to repair and substitute for all created intelligences, past, present, and future. And from the heart, I said to my Jesus, how I wish to give you, with my mind, all the glory, the honor, the reparation for the whole human family, even for the very lost souls who have not given them to you with their own intelligence. And he, as though pleased, kissed me on my forehead, saying to me,
"And I, with my kiss, seal all your thoughts with mine, that I may always find in you all created minds, and in their name receive continuous glory, honor, and reparation."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.